Water is not only essential for life, but sometimes it can bring destruction in the blink of an eye. Flash floods sweeping away bridges, cars, and houses. In this video, we will witness impressive moments from people who, perhaps, would never want to face the power of water. Let's explore. These sturdy bridges could not stand the force of water. A wooden suspension bridge in the river. Two men drove across. Luckily, the two men escaped outside. Riverside houses are always an ideal place to relax, but it also contains danger every time there is a flood. Unfortunately, these houses were swept away by the flood. Luckily, everyone left in time before the flood happened. Not only houses and bridges, even cars became a feast for flash floods. The small stream has now turned into muddy streams by the flood from upstream. Cars were swept away like toys. A bridge was broken into many pieces. Small streams also became fierce when the flood came. Floods swept away houses with mud. Houses near the river were like a favorite dish of the fierce floodwaters. Floods are unpredictable dangers, can destroy everything in the blink of an eye. Let's always be vigilant and prepared to deal with natural disasters. Never underestimate the power of nature, because it can sweep everything away in just a moment. If you find the content interesting and useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos.